Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking the exact API shape you need and why, resource endpoints, methods, and error model. Next, install a lightweight framework and JSON serializer so responses are native. Initialize a project, configure port and cores, and create the first route handler that returns a JSON object. Once done, test that the route returns valid JSON and proper headers. This confirms your environment and first handler are working before building logic. Now implement request validation and the controller logic that transforms inputs into JSON output. You validate with a schema so clients receive clear 4XX errors. This prevents bad data from reaching your database. Then write the data access layer, queries or ORM models, and wire them into controllers so responses include only intended fields. Make sure to structure responses with status and data keys, and include pagination or filters when returning collections for predictable client consumption. Finish by adding comprehensive error handling, logging, and tests that assert JSON shapes and status codes. Deploy using environment variables, HTTPS, and a simple rate limit. Enable a health endpoint so orchestration can monitor readiness. If something breaks, reproduce the failing request, inspect response headers and body shape, check server logs for stack traces, and confirm middleware order hasn't altered JSON output. Once you fix the root cause, rerun tests and redeploy. Make sure clients get consistent, documented responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.